What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. Make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you can just like work with me and make some beats together. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community. Other than that, let's just dive right into the video. I'm excited for this beat making session, bro. So I think I want to use like some pianos or something. So let's just open up Kontakt. This is one of my favorite pianos, the Southside, or I don't know how to pronounce it, but right, that is sounding pretty clean, I'm telling you. Let's copy over the same chords onto like an analog preset. Also, what I added was this bell sound from SRX World, and I added like the same effects from this bell sound also from SRX World, the Asia bell. But to this sound I added halftime as well, just so that it is not too busy, because like the other bell is playing as well, and I just wanted to give it like some room, you feel me? that's sounding pretty decent. The drums are smacking like crazy, but they just like render everything out for a minute. I'm going to try and flip the melody. Okay, so now that we have the full sample, the full melody is sounding super vintage, super wavy and old school. I'm going to drag this into the mixer as well, and we maybe could chop it up and create like something really fire. Like, let's just open up Fruity Slicer and drag the sample in there. So right here, 12 beats, and reset, and the chop, I want it per beat, just like that. Hey, super fire, bro. I really love what we did with the melody. We really just like turned one melody into another melody and like another type of beat. Super fire in my opinion. Like, this just shows you can do like a lot with a sample if you like chop it up and stuff. So really try to get creative with it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at SkanaBeats. Yes sir. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.